Hello! Ako si Denver sa totoong buhay. Hello, araw ko naman nakakainis. Pero okay lang. Ano naman tayo teleport eh.
See? That was so fast.
Ayun yung cousin ko, ayun yung pinsan ko po. Oh. Teleport kasi ako eh.
God, I pressed the gift button again.
This is my first vlog, guys. Please support me. Please, please, please. Please, support me, please. Please, support me. Support me, please.
Vlogging right now. So, think much of it.
Mm.
So this
Please
is
support
cousin.
me.
Hi, cousin.
Hello, hi. Hi, my cousin.
Guys, they were trolling me.
Us.
They were a bad person.
Ow. Oh,
Guys, I'm just so laggy right now.
me
Guys, I'm
too.
gonna use the short. So guys, as you can see, I'm in the blue right now. And I'm back.
Hello, hello. I'm back. Now I am in the blue. Please subscribe to my video. This is my first vlog. Oh,
So guys, as you can see, this is my first time vlogging.
please.
So,
Please support me and comment and like. Please, I wanna be rich. Oh, why I'm always going down?
Guys, that girl is trolling me. His name is Meron.
Please subscribe my channel.
Yes, guys, supporting me.
Support me, guys. Please, 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 please.
I
I am just. This is my first vlog. Please. Please, this is my first vlog. Please just follow me. Follow my channel and like it and comment. It's my cousin is eating. Don't subscribe to Jimson. I was just joking. Sorry, I'm being mean. Sorry.
Guys, we're a loving cousin.
Yep. And we love each other. Please subscribe to my channel. If you subscribe,
Subscribe to my channel.
I'm giving free.
This is my mom channel, so please follow me.
Are you kidding me?
See,
They all trolling. Trollers.
Meron is trolling me again. It's a bad girl.
Yeah. Name is the goat. Ay, Christina. I mean.
So guys, we'll be starting again with the green. I'm in the blue. I'm in the blue before. Now I'm
I'm in the yellow now.
blue or red. I think red, not blue. Sorry. This part is so hard.
What is she mean? She's trolling me.
So guys, we're from the
Let's leave, and I'm gonna go to next server. Because I don't like this server. They were trolling me. I'm gonna find
Guys,
a new
I'm
server.
stuck with this part.
Please
We finished that hard part.
subscribe to my channel and like it and just comment. Please.
I will not talk.
This is my first vlog.
I'll be
Please.
just playing.
This is. Oh yeah. Who wants free admin commands? And you want tribal skin case? Please and like and subscribe and comment. And I'm giving away 100 skin case. Oh yeah. If you don't like, I'm not giving you. Sorry. If you like, I'm gonna review. If you subscribe, I'm gonna give you one skin case. If you comment, I'm gonna give you 500 skin case. And if you like, I'm gonna give you 10,000 skin case in rivals. I don't want that. If you want, I'm gonna give it to you.
I keep pressing the admin.
Just please subscribe to my channel. This is my first
You see that? I just fall.
vlog. I am in the red now.
The blue today. So my
I
God,
am in the blue now.
he went to another server because someone is trolling him. And guys, did you see that? I just fall.
Hello guys. I'm just a noob.
Pero ulit na ako.
But just please like my video and subscribe and comment. If you don't like, no, not again.
May laro tayo iba. Huwag mo dyan. Ano,
Okay.